How to scan QR code in Roblox. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can scan QR code in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to have the updated version of Roblox. For that, you can open up your App Store, search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, simply open it up, and there if you see an update option, instead of open, simply tap on update and update the app. After that, you can open up your Roblox. After you open up your Roblox and everything loads up, you will see your username on the top. Simply tap on it, and after you tap on it, on the left hand side of the edit profile button, you will see these squares. So tap on it, and then you will get your QR code. Now you can make other people scan this QR code to find your account. Now, if you want to scan someone else's QR code, on the top right, you will see the icon for QR scan. So simply tap on it and give it permission. And then you can scan it using this QR code scanner. After that, you're basically good to go. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.